Hi, I'm Helen with Floating Yoga School. This is a mini breath practice called wave breath that is really great to calm down, reset, kind of realign with your body. You can do this lying down or seated, whatever is most comfortable for you. So make your way into that shape and we'll get started. So as you found your way into a comfortable position, you're welcome to leave your arms wherever they naturally land. Or if you like, place one hand to your heart, your chest, and one hand to your belly. And the goal of this breath is going to be to move with a wave-like sensation as you inhale and as you exhale. And it's okay if it's not perfect. Don't overthink it or overanalyze it. But you're going to attempt to breathe first into your low belly, then into the sides of your ribs or mid-chest, and then into your upper chest or heart space. And we'll do the same thing on the exhale. I will guide you through a few rounds together. You're welcome to go at your own pace or kind of find this in your own way. Let's start with a deep breath in through your nose. Open your mouth, let everything go. Again, inhale through your nose. Open mouth, exhale. Now breathe in through your nose and try to send your breath into your low belly. Continue to breathe in, send your breath into your mid-chest, sides of your ribs. And then continue to breathe in, send your breath into your upper chest, heart space. Exhale completely through your mouth or your nose. We'll move like that. Inhale, low belly. Inhale, middle. Inhale, upper chest. Exhale it out. Inhale, low belly. Middle and sides of your chest. Inhale, upper chest. Exhale completely. Two more like that. Inhale, low belly. Inhale, middle and sides of your chest. Inhale, upper chest. Exhale it out. Last one, find your rhythm, your way of doing it. Full breath in into those three parts. And let it go. Now we're going to reverse it. So we're going to take a full breath in, fill up completely. And this time exhale, low belly. Exhale, middle and sides of your chest. Exhale, upper chest. Inhale completely. Exhale first from your low belly, middle and sides of your chest, and then upper chest. Exhale it all out. Continue like that. Full breath in. Exhale, low belly, middle and sides, upper chest. Twice more. Breathe in. Exhale, low, middle and sides, and upper chest. Last one on your own. Hands can stay as they are or release by your sides or into your lap. Just come back to a regular breath, whatever that means or feels like for you. And just notice how you feel right now. That breath can feel calming for some of us. It can feel like a way to manage or control our emotions, our energy for others. It's a nice little practice to take a few minutes to simply reset and notice how everything's feeling. You can stay here or slowly make your way up to a seat if you're lying down. Take some little stretches or little wiggles. And then place your palms together in front of your heart. And bow your head in silence to close out this little mini practice. Thank you so much for joining us.